You guys ready? You guys ready to open Pinkie Pie? Let's see if we can do this. Excuse my current get up. I've been dyeing yarn all day. Let's see. I want you all to see the pink. I have a manual. Hang on. I already put the table together. My husband is at school. And today was the first day of the kids back at physical school. So it's been a day. But now we're gonna open Pinkie Pie. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I peed my pants a little bit. Don't tell anybody. Okay. I got like a certificate. I'm all kinds of official. Look at. Oh, I'm Teresa, by the way. I'm the owner and dyer behind Pretty Twisted Yarns. This is not a podcast. This is an unboxing of my circular sock machine. I will, however, still be hand knitting socks. This puppy is going to be used for my business for cranking samples so I can knit other stuffs. Okay. Very official manual. And you know, since my husband's not here, we're going to be reading the manual. Oh my gosh, my friend Andy made me, I might have to go get it and show you guys. If not, I'll show you on my next podcast. A setup bonnet that's all pink. It's gonna match perfectly. I don't know. I'm just assuming. It says open this end. This end up. This is where you guys get to see me in my most dizzy glory. Open this end. Maybe that means it goes up like this though. I don't know. No, I think it opens like this. I wish I had a drill. Yeah, you're gonna hear kids and cats and stuff like that. Sorry. Kids and cats.
Hello?
Hello?
Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Why did you keep the door open then?
I don't know. You want to come say hi?
I literally just screamed.
Yeah, I literally just heard you scream.
I can say hi from over here.
Okay, hi from over there.
Hi.
Hi. Well, the screw doesn't want to come out. You will not win, screw.
What? A screw?
Yeah. Oh, maybe.
Wait, you're recording right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Still in my school clothes, so I haven't really got undressed, so.
Well, when you take your school clothes off, make sure you put them all with your socks and everything. I can wash them, okay?
Okay. I like how we're just talking to each other on the video.
Yeah. It's real life, yo. This is what happens around here.
I need to put my stuff back in my backpack. Because I don't have any homework because it's the first day of 4th grade.
First day of 4th grade. Whoa!
I also need to take
So I got the 64 cylinder with the 64 stitch ribber.
What is it?
Maybe it.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
oh my God.
Oh my god.
It's
All right.
unboxing time.
Okay.
Can I come on camera?
Yeah. You want to come?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Hi.
I made this. Put your face in. Say
I
hi.
don't want to. I don't
She's
want-
shy.
I'm not gonna
Oh my god, are we gonna see pink like right away? You guys are seeing this just as I am for the first time. I see pink! I see pink!
I'm not showing. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh!
I'm not gonna show my face, but at least I'm on camera.
Sorry, not sorry for crinkling.
Crinkle.
I bet it's pink.
It's not attractive.
3 hours later.
Oh my god. SpongeBob.
Oh, it is pink. You ready for
Of course it's
eye-searing pinkness? It's a fork. Pinkie Pie.
I thought you named her.
This is a weight.
I forgot you named her.
Yeah, Pinkie Pie. Yo, I think.
I like how it's a girl too.
Yeah. It's pink. Not all things are girls, but Pinkie Pie is a girl.
And it's pink.
Most boring unboxing ever. But not to me, so I don't care. Look at even a pink waist yarn on a cone. A little setup bonnet. Not nearly, thank you, Earl Bacher, but not nearly as cute as the one Andy, the knittress, made me. Okay. A screwdriver. This is what I was waiting for, right here, really. Some other stuffs. Needles. Or hooks. I don't really know. Tools. A latch hook tool. Oh, this tells me exactly the heck to do.
There.
And their YouTube channel has a lot of information on it.
Yes.
I don't want to break anything.
Of course you don't. You already named
So-
her, so why would you break it?
I know. We ordered this in April, and today is August 10th, 2021. So they make these custom to order. I'm sure this crinkling is so bad. Wait, are you gonna learn how to crank some socks?
Sure.
Yeah. It's gonna be fun, huh?
Yeah.
Your mommy dyes a new colorway, we can just crank it out. See what it looks like.
Yeah.
What does mommy do for a living?
Yarn. That's all I have to say.
Yarn. What do I do to the yarn?
Yarn.
Just yarn.
Yarn.
How much do we have yarn in the house?
Yes. So much yarn. You dye the yarn.
I dye the yarn.
You knit with the yarn.
I knit with the yarn.
You make socks with the yarn.
I make socks with yarn.
Yes.
Yeah.
You do much things with yarn.
I do much things with yarn, this is true.
Yes.
Does my world generally revolve around yarn?
Yes.
Yes.
Your world is just called yarn.
Yarn life, yo!
The earth is a ball of yarn.
Is
For
it?
you. Yes.
That's freaking awesome.
It is.
Okay, sorry. These are weights. This is the worst unboxing anyone has ever watched.
Sure about that?
No, there's probably worser ones.
Probably. People work hard on videos.
Yeah, not me.
Yes, you do.
I mean, I work hard on them, but I'm just not very good at stuff.
Be right back.
Pink. These are weights. It's so pretty. I don't know if that's supposed to go back on there or not. The mast is here. I think that's the mast anyway.
I'm back.
Gosh.
I'm back.
Oh, you had to get a Beanie Boo?
Yes, of course I did. This is to represent me since the camera can't actually see my face.
Why don't you? You're so cute.
No, I'm not. I'm just kidding.
You are.
Yes, I am.
I made you that way.
Look at this Beanie Boo bow. It has huge eyes.
Alright.
Huge eyes make it cuter.
Oh, I see. That's what the screwdriver's for.
It's not boring anymore because I added this stuffed animal.
It's not boring because you make life worth living.
Yes.
Alright.
Also, since
part of the mast.
also it's because I am in video. It's less boring with me.
Absolutely.
Yes. I still have my school clothes on though.
Yeah, you had a good day at school?
Yeah.
My 4th grader.
Yes.
Insanity. Can't even believe it. You're just born yesterday. How are you in the 4th grade already?
I wasn't born yesterday. I was born 9 years ago.
Oh, excuse me.
I'm gonna be 10 next year.
I don't know how that's possible when I'm like 24.
I'm 9. So, I mean, obviously I'm 9 because it's literally the first day of school. It's the first day of 4th grade for me.
This is
Cool unboxing video. Unboxing.
my ribber? No, cylinder. Ribber?
I don't know what all this stuff is. I'm just a child.
I don't know. This is probably what the instructions are for.
I guess you don't know what stuff.
Oh, this is the ribber.
Okay.
I'm gonna learn that later
You need to tell
from
me.
Aquila.
What is
Aquila, Andy, Shaylee,
You have a lot of
y'all
time.
gonna be having some DMs from me in your inboxes because I'm gonna be like, I don't know stuff.
Yes, you do.
Mm.
Not all stuff you
So
know.
I have a flatbed knitting machine and I have an Addie King. So I have used like knitting machines before, but not one like this special. The crank. Oh yeah, baby.
I don't even know what that's for.
This is how you crank the.
Oh yes,
yarn.
the crank. Yes,
It's the crank.
I know what it is now. It's so you can crank the yarn. That's what
Can you go
said.
get me get me the roll of paper towels because there's a little bit oil machine oil machinery.
Okay. Oh God. Okay.
This box is like an heirloom. I suppose this is if it ever needs work on or anything like that, you just put it all back in here and then you can send it in and they'll work on it. I got a free screwdriver. That's just special.
Hello, I'm back. It is entertaining again.
Thank goodness you're back.
You
I
guys.
was getting a little bit bored of my own self.
This is a rocket ship.
Oh my goodness.
I'll just put it right here.
I got up so early to do work this morning and to get her to school and stuff because I knew this was coming.
Yeah, she woke me up so I could get to school.
Yeah, but what time did Mommy wake up? Because I had to get work done and dye yarn.
I don't remember.
Yeah, I got up at like 3 o'clock in the morning.
3
So,
a.m.?
yep.
That's the worst time to get up.
Yeah.
That's like the worst time of the day.
I know. And then, so that, because I knew this was coming and I wanted to be done work. I'm not really ever done work, but like, feel like I had accomplished something. So this is the cylinder,
Cool.
the main part.
I don't like this sitting on my lap. I'm gonna make it.
This is fancy pants.
Hug.
This is fancy sauce up in here. Yes, because it is machinery.
Yes.
There's oil. That is how my flatbed machine is also.
Me being right here is probably more entertaining.
Is it?
Yes, because I'm like in the middle, kind of.
Everybody's gonna think you're a fox.
I'm not a fox. I'm a squirrel.
You are a squirrel. You hide stuff and you
Yes.
squirrel stuff away like a little chipmunk.
My friend Charlie is trying to take over China right now. He is a squirrel.
What the heck? That is a strange thing to say.
No, he actually is. I told Dad that too.
I don't know who Charlie is.
Charlie is a squirrel.
Also, I don't know why he's trying to take over the world.
I met him when me and Haley had Sister Day. I met him when me and...
Machine oil.
Okay. Whoa.
No.
Can I show Fixie to the camera?
Yeah.
Okay. I almost showed my face for a second. But I need to show Fixie because she is important.
Okay.
This is Fixie.
Alright, cool. Not a Beanie Boo channel. I am not gonna film me trying to set this up. Nobody wants to see that. But once I'm done setting it up, I'm gonna take a picture, video, and I gotta go. I'm so excited. Gotta go. Bye.